So if you're tired of driving around on crusty, old, oxidized aluminum wheels, you need to get them polished with us. We have our guys here, Willie and Joel, who you see in the video here in a second, who are able to clean your wheels and make them look great. This also saves on maintenance fees. It will keep your wheels lasting longer, and it will keep you trucking. Truck that makes money sitting still is a show truck. We want your wheels turning. We want you making money, growing your business, hiring new drivers, buying new trucks. Remember, Truck Enterprises, we exist to support you. We sell new trucks, used trucks. We also service and maintain them so that your business grows and that our country continues to grow and the economy thrives, because everything we buy and touch at one point or another is transported on a truck. So it's pretty straightforward how it works. You bring us your wheels and we're gonna put them in the machine. Right now we have a deal. If you bring us 6 wheels, we'll give you one of them for free. With our 8 locations throughout the Mid-Atlantic, we are close to you and close to your business. We want you to thrive and to succeed. In order to do that, you need trucks that stay on the road, that are perfect for the job that you're doing, and you need help servicing and maintaining them. Please let us know if you have any questions or concerns. I'm Jeremy with Truck Enterprises. Thanks for watching this video. We're gonna have more videos coming. Thanks.